This is your friend Rahul again, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create SEO report of your website in Google Looker Studio, or you can say Google Data Studio. So without wasting any time, as always, let's start the video. Search for Google Looker Studio on Google and you will be landing on this screen. You just need to click on use it for free and you will be landing on how you have to sign up here. Once you do sign up, then you will be able to see this dashboard in front of you. So I already created some reports, but I'm going to show you how you can create your own report from scratch. So you have to just click on blank report here, and you have to connect the data source first from which you wanted to import the data into Google Looker Studio. So I wanted to import the data from Google Search Console. So I'm going to search for Google search. Okay, you can see here, just click on it. And you need to connect your Google Search Console account with Google Looker Studio account. Just click on authorize. Now you have to select the email ID and it will automatically sign in and it will show all the websites you have. So I am going to select one and you need to click on site impressions if you wanted to see the data at site level. But if you want to see the data at URL level, then you have little bit limitations of using different kind of report widgets. So I would suggest let's use site impression, and you need to select which kind of search type of data you want to see in your Google Looker Studio. So for example, some companies might be looking for, I only wanted to see my news URLs performance or news site performance, then they can click on news and they will see only the traffic or the results which are coming from Google News, not from Google Web or image or video section, only from the news section of Google. So I'm going to focus only on web because my website is not in video, news and image section. So let's click on web and add. Once you connect successfully, you will see these properties on the right side bar. That means you can see the data at country level, by date, by device, all the properties that has been allowed by Google Search Console at site level. Now you can see there is a table by default in front of the screen. Let me enlarge it. Now it shows Google property dimensions. So it will tell you how you want to drill down your data at country level or property level. So I wanted to see my data at country level, so I'm going to delete this and I'm going to add dimension. Now I wanted to see all the data of my clicks as a summary, so I will be going to click on insert and you can see lot of bar charts, scorecards and everything, and you can see add data and add page, add a chart, add a control. So add a control means you can add the dates, how you want to control this graph. So I'm going to click on the add date range control here, and you can drag and drop the position wherever you want. It's there. Now you will see the date. I wanted to see a particular data. For example, I wanted to see last 15 days traffic. You have to click on the start date and then you have to select the end date, and this is the data of last 15 days. Okay, now if I wanted to add a summary, then I have to click on add a chart and you will see total and session. So I wanted to see my total number of clicks in last 15 days. So I'm going to click on this one and I will be dropping here. Now for this matrix to see as impressions, you just need to click on it, Control C and Control V. Now you can drag and drop again and you can change this property. Like you wanted to see only impression, just click on this one and select the impressions out of it. Now you can see your whole impression for last from 1st of March to 15th of March. Now I wanted to see my average position, just click on it, copy and paste. You have to just click on impressions and search for average position by typing here, or you can see directly. So just click on it and you will see the average position of all the URLs who are ranking in top 100 results. So clicks, impressions, average position and CTR you can also add here. Control C, Control V. Just align this to look better. So just click on it and change this to CTR. Yeah. So this is your website all pages average CTR 1.76%. So this is a basic thing that most of the SEOs usually see, like what is my site clicks, impressions, average position. In Search Console it is also easy, but here what I'm trying to convey is you can create your you can create your different charts, tables, summary views based on your requirement, and it will be in your control. You don't have to go in Search Console and just click here and there and then you create your customized report. Here you have to do one time effort and this report will be updated as per your convenience. So now the question coming into your mind, I wanted to compare this 15 days data with my previous 15 days data. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to just click on that particular matrix you wanted to see the comparison data. Just click on it and you will scroll down here, and here you will see default date range. It's auto set already. You can create custom as well, or auto is also fine, but here you will see the main thing, comparison date range. It is by default none. So you want to see the comparison date, then you have to just click on it, fixed period, previous period, advanced. So fixed period, and if you want to compare your this year 1st of March data to 15th of March, then you with the previous year, then you have to click on previous year. This is that much simple. So just I wanted to see my previous period data, just click on previous period and you can see. So previous period is 1.2% declined in the traffic in terms of clicks, and similar thing you can do for impressions too. And this kind of reports are handy when you wanted to share your clients weekly reports, monthly, quarterly reports, so you can share the URL directly with them and they can do the slicing of the data as per their own convenience. But it will also save your time as well by going to Search Console and then creating such reports every week or every month. So let's change this to previous period. Impressions are also down. So by looking at this number, I have to see why my impressions are down, on which keywords my impressions are down, whether the impact is of seasonality or something else or Google update. So this is something going to help me a lot. Okay, so while I'm creating, I thought like there are a lot of fellow SEO digital marketers who are on our YouTube channel who are subscribing us. I thought to share this hack with them, or just tips and tricks. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel as well. Let me change the to previous period. Okay, same for previous period. Yeah, my CTR improved. Maybe some particular URL is ranking well, but overall other queries are not ranking well or declining. So I have to see some analysis here. And you can connect your multiple services, for example Google Analytics, Shopify store, Magento store. Lot of things are there, and you can use API to connect directly your websites analytics as well. So I hope this you like this video, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe with your friends. Thank you.